Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Photos privacy after face recognition mistakes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Google Photos app on your device. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Photos settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the Group Similar Faces option under the search section. Tap on it to access the face grouping settings. If face grouping is enabled, you can choose to turn it off. This will stop Google Photos from automatically identifying faces. Next, go back to the main settings menu. Locate the Manage Your Account section. Tap on Manage Your Data and Personalization. Scroll down to the Activity Controls section. Tap on Face Matching. Here, you can manage your face matching preferences. If desired, turn off the face matching toggle. To delete any incorrect face matches, go back to the Group Similar Faces section. Tap on the face you want to manage. Select Delete to remove any incorrect groupings or matches. If you want to prevent future mistakes, consider reviewing face groups regularly. Finally, ensure that you review your privacy settings in the Google account menu. This will help you maintain your desired level of privacy within Google Photos. Your Google Photos privacy should now be restored with these adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.